Is this a good idea? Is it a good idea? I don't know. This could be the worst idea we've ever had.
Never.
I'm not so sure. They all float down here. Okay.
Are there more?
No, I think that's the only one, but there's just the one, but they do have them like all over Minnesota.
Okay.
Yeah, that's us. Can't get really neat video with it.
Yes. It was nice seeing you guys.
You too. Have a good day. Stay.
Our X loss. What's up with that?
Don't lose. The guy is watching. He's like looking around trying to find us.
Okay, where do we go now?
There's a trail that way. Well, you can't see me, but the kids are in the park. They'll probably get a kick out of that. Not in the park area, just the ones
No. Okay, I'll go check out the we all float down here thing.
Yeah.
I mean, why not, right?
Yeah. Nobody's over there.
Yeah, that looks like an unrecoverable situation. I always orbit one way.
Yeah.
Let's see,
You find the new one?
yeah.
How's it doing it?
So just find a little bit of jello in the footage, I'm noticing. Can we get the gap under the legs?
Oh,
Come on, we can do it.
sure. You crash out though.
Perfect.
I'm not going to get it. You did it real slow though.
Well, wouldn't you?
I think it's a power looper. No, I'm just kidding. Don't. You'll get stuck in her damn hair or something.
Yeah. That's what I'm looking at now.
Yeah.
Twigs, hey?
Yeah. Well, he uses all the stuff that's like, he uses all recyclable stuff, right?
Yeah. Let's check out these poles.
The ones that they...
Can we flap those?
I think it's kind of funny, like she went around and they make it look like she went around and picked them as flowers.
Haha!
Did
I
you go
flew.
through them?
Yes.
You always got one up me, don't you? That's all right. I wasn't doing it for anything cool, except for the...
Hi, Kim. This is silly.
It is.
This bench.
I know. We look ridiculous on it too, don't we?
Yes, we do. Huh. All right, let's see what's shaking over by the, I'm gonna come along the back way here.
Yeah.
We still got 3.6. I'm just gonna hug the tree line here.
Yeah. Stay
Oh,
away
this
from the
looks
kids.
like fun. If we get this to ourselves, this bike thing,
Oh yeah.
ooh, that looks cool.
Yeah.
There's tunnels and shit. Okay, I'm coming back. I don't wanna.
Get too close to the kids.
Yeah.
Even though they'd probably think it was really neat.
Yeah. We're at 3.5. What's on the other side of these trees?
The road?
Oh, okay. No good. Okay, what's over here? It's holding at 3.5 for a while. What is this?
Yeah, I should play the other one next.
Is that like some kind of city building? I think it is.
Yeah, maybe don't go there.
Yeah, they got the city building.
Yeah.
Alright. You can tell this is a totally new park.
If you land, I want to fly mine like that before it gets weird again.
Sure.
All right. Sorry. My idea. I'm hogging.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm kidding. Are you done?
I think it's at 344.
Oh, perfect.
I'm just gonna land right where the phone is.
Okay.
Any thoughts?
I think this is pretty cool. I'm
Yeah.
nervous to fly a drone over there, but not really, because it's a loop. Who cares?
The fact that Grand Central Station is existing over here, it's fine. You'll be fine.
I think so. I think people will be like, that's pretty neat, actually.
Yeah. We'll go with that.
Well, if I get Karen. It won't be the first time
No, it will
this
not.
month.
Oh man, you're too funny. All right.
Trying.